You are going to hire your own attorney, is that correct?
Yes.
And how much time do you need to do that?
A couple months.
A couple months? Well, I can't give you that long.
Appearing via Zoom in court and in a cell by himself, alleged killer Jesus Manuel Salgado had his charges read aloud.
Multiple victims for multiple murder.
Salgado faces 4 counts of first-degree murder, 1 count of arson, and 1 count of possessing a firearm as a felon. He now faces life in prison without the possibility of parole. Several family members were present in the courtroom to see the suspect for the very first time. They all gathered for prayer after his appearance.
You know, the hearts are broken. Family's devastated.
Gurdeep Shergill is a friend to the family. He was with them through the 4 nights of vigils this weekend.
One thing that's tearing up, like it's just tearing up my heart, is the 8-month-old baby. I mean, just that is keeping me up at night.
And you'll continue to walk up the ramp, and you'll see right there, he pulls out a firearm.
Surveillance video from 1 week ago allegedly shows Salgado kidnapping Amandeep and Jasdeep Singh, mother Jasleen Kaur, and baby Ahuri Derry at gunpoint. 4 victims were found murdered just 2 days later. Support has poured in from all over the country and throughout the Central Valley, with the family's official GoFundMe gathering over $340,000. Fresno Mayor Jerry Dyer expressed in a statement this afternoon, "These acts are unimaginable and horrific," he said. "I offer my sincerest condolences to the family," end quote.
Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. Follow today's top stories and breaking news by downloading the NBC News app.